5 Tips for Improving Your Credit Score. Hi, and welcome to this video on improving your credit score. Your credit score is an important factor that can affect your ability to borrow money, get a mortgage, and even rent an apartment. In this video, we'll go over 5 simple tips that can help you improve your credit score. Tip number 1. Pay your bills on time. Payment history is the most important factor in your credit score, so make sure you pay all of your bills on time. Set up automatic payments or reminders to help you stay on track. Tip number 2. Keep your credit utilization low. Credit utilization is the amount of credit you're using compared to your credit limit. It's generally recommended to keep your credit utilization below 30%. If you have high balances on your credit cards, try paying them down or consider transferring your balance to a card with a lower interest rate. Tip number 3. Don't apply for too much credit at once. Each time you apply for credit, it leaves a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can lower your score. Avoid applying for too many credit cards or loans in a short period of time. Tip number 4. Dispute errors on your credit report. Everyone makes mistakes, and that includes credit reporting agencies. If you find an error on your credit report, dispute it with the credit bureau and the creditor. This can help improve your credit score. Tip number 5. Be patient. Improving your credit score takes time, so be patient and stick to your plan. Keep using credit responsibly, and your score should gradually improve. Conclusion: improving your credit score is all about responsible credit habits. By following these 5 tips, you can take control of your credit and improve your score over time. Make sure to check the description below for more resources. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your credit